plans have changed. After the conditions of Redwood National Park, we stopped for a couple of days to work, and over the course of those couple of days, the fires started to get increasingly worse, specifically around Sequoia National Park, Kings Canyon National Park, and Yosemite. Those were the 3 parks that we had planned on visiting in the upcoming week. First, we were thinking the air quality is not going to be very good. We're not going to have very good views. Okay, whatever, we'll still go. Then the roads started to close surrounding the parks, limiting our ability to even get there. Then we learned that Mariposa Grove, a trail surrounded by huge sequoia trees, was closed. That was one of the main things we wanted to go to. So sadly, with all of that happening right now, we are skipping those parks. We're skipping them for now. We want to return when conditions are right. But as of right now, that seems like the best and smartest and safest choice for our travels. Since we are skipping those parks, we have a little bit of extra time on our hands. Something that we wanted to see but didn't think we'd have the ability or time to is the Bonneville Salt Flats. We are heading there right now. We're about 2 hours away, and we're gonna see them tomorrow.
I'm not used to being the one doing this. Getting all a bumpy road and whatever.
To be honest, anytime that we do anything a little off-road, Amber just closes her eyes and hopes for the best.
Truthfully, it's not even bad. Like, this is really flat. We have been on way worse, let me tell you.
Way worse. Where does this road go? I don't know.
We're gonna find out.
We're an hour earlier than what we thought. We're just gonna drive around a bit. When we drove in, everybody's parked in the parking lot, and we're like, why isn't anybody coming up here? It's beautiful. Yeah, because you can't get your vehicle to lay flat, and just the slightest little tilt makes you not sleep well. We have learned that over the long run. We're gonna suck it up tonight, because this is where we're sleeping.
I have no idea why I'm doing this. It's swarming with pricker bushes, but at least now that I've made it, we can see if the view is worth it. And it looks like just caught up with sunset. Wow. Check this out. I totally made the wrong choice. I've never even knew that this could be a possibility on this trip. You have no idea how awful that is for me to see that right now. I could probably cry if I really thought too hard about it. Some people might think, oh my gosh, it's just a transplant, no big deal. Yeah, we can't be friends. Oh my goodness. So dumb. The view is not worth it. It's not worth it. This BLM hand is not friendly. You shouldn't come here. It's a big waste of time, I promise. Nathan! I saw a tarantula! It's awful! He's a tarantula! You mean he's huge? Like, put your fingers out. Like that. This is that big, Nathan.
We read a story about it.
Yes, and I didn't remember till I was halfway up there. It was so dumb.
Think there's any around here?
You go look for him.
Little sneak preview on our future plans. We're looking at buying a van.